My name's Tom. I'm the operations manager here at Sensoteq. We are here today at the supply chain conference in Armagh City Hotel. It's all about how we're navigating today to shape the future of tomorrow. I've been on stage today talking to the conference about Sensoteq's experience in growing our own supply chain team, in increasing our production volumes, and some of the challenges that we faced while doing so.
This is one of the biggest supply chain conferences happening in Northern Ireland, and it was a wonderful opportunity to hear from leaders in the field on how to manage the supply chain difficulties that we've all been experiencing over the past few years.
We're here meeting other like-minded businesses who are experiencing some of the same challenges, and we're discussing with those individuals the global trends that we're seeing in the supply chain, how to respond to them and how to make your business more sustainable for the future. Naturally growing a business in Northern Ireland, it's good to share your experience with other companies and get some expert advice from Invest in I, who have a supply chain resilience panel who have supported us through our growth phase.